Hey guys, let's fix this issue quickly and effectively. In the first step, open run by pressing Windows key plus R key together to open run. You can also simply right click on the start icon and click on run. Once we are here, type percent local app data percent and hit enter. Once we are here, open Google folder, then open Chrome folder, then open user data folder. And here we need to select the default folder. You can also take it backup of this folder. You can copy it and paste it somewhere. So because we need to delete this folder, just select it and click on delete. Once done, close the window. Try to clear the browsing data quickly. Just open Google Chrome and click on the three dots, go to settings, click on these three lines, open privacy and security, and just clear browsing data. Select all time and clear data. Close the window, and the most important method is just right click on Chrome application, open its properties, go to compatibility and check this option. Run this program in compatibility mode for. So select the highest operating system. In my system it's showing 8, maybe in your system it's showing Windows 10, so select it. Try to select the highest one, then click on apply and then OK. Just right click on the task and open task manager, select Chrome and right click on it and select end task. After that, restart your system and our problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix the issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.